everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can A-B test multiple notification variants. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Go to notifications and select the notification you want to test. We'll go with the review one. Click on A-B testing and here you will see the variants you have created. Here as you can see, we have only one notification variant, that is the original one. Now let's say we want to create another variant with different position. In original notification, we are showing notification on bottom left, while in the second variant, we will show it on top right. Click on add variant and you will see a pop-up asking variant name description. Fill in these details. Then you will have an option to clone the current notification. Select the original one and click create and customize. Now you will see the customization options for second variant here. Here you can customize text, icons, positions, add CTAs, apply data and timing settings. Let's change the position for the second variant. We'll go with the right top. Remember, display option and data source will remain same for all the variants. You can only edit the design section. Customize all this and click on finish. Now let's check it on your website. As you can see, the first variant is displayed on the bottom left. Now let's check for the second variant. To check it, you will have to open your site in another browser or incognito tab. Yeah, as you can see, the notification is displayed here on top right. So that's how you can create variants. Now let's check the reports. Click on A/B testing and you will see the reports here. You can add as many variants as you want and select the best performing notification for your website. The traffic will be divided into half since we have created two variants only. If you would have created three variants, the traffic will be divided equally among all variants. And since we just created these variants, the reports are not available. For the better understanding, let me show you the reports of variants that I have already created. As you can see here, the best performing notification will be displayed here. So that's how you can A/B test notification on your website and select the best notification for your website. If you still face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.